Hi everybody, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today we're picking the winner of my 500 subscriber giveaway. I have put in everybody's name that was in that video that put flowers in the comments, and I've got them all on my little wheel here, and there are, I believe, 15 entries. So let's go ahead and pick the winner. Let's go ahead and do this. Spin it. Congratulations, Twisted Imaginings. If you will go ahead and email me at creativepouring@outlook.com, I'll put it up for you on the screen right there. But if you could email me, I'll get you the gift card to the Amazon, the $25 Amazon gift card. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing, everyone. And we'll see you next time. Thanks again. Bye for now.